Blackout Bingo weekly challenges can stop tracking when the game fails to register completed actions, and the safest fix is to refresh the app and confirm that the challenge requirement matches what you are actually doing. By the end, you'll know how to check the challenge requirement, refresh Blackout Bingo, verify that progress is being recorded, and troubleshoot the issue without immediately reinstalling the game. First, open the weekly challenge and read the exact requirement before playing another match. Some challenges only count specific actions, game modes, or rewards. Completing a normal match does not necessarily increase progress if that match does not satisfy the challenge condition. Next, completely close Blackout Bingo and reopen it. On Android, open the recent app screen and swipe Blackout Bingo away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe the game away. Launch the game again and check the weekly challenge before starting another match. If the progress still shows the same value, check your internet connection. Blackout Bingo needs a working connection to communicate with its online services. Disconnect and reconnect to Wi-Fi, or temporarily test the game using mobile data. If you are using iPhone, open Settings, tap Cellular, and make sure Blackout Bingo is allowed to use cellular data. On Android, open the network or mobile data settings and check that Blackout Bingo has permission to use mobile data. The next check is the app version. Open Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. Search for Blackout Bingo and see whether an update button is available. Install the available update, then restart the game. After updating, check the weekly challenge again before playing another match. If the challenge progress has changed, the issue was likely related to the app state or version. Android users can also clear the Blackout Bingo cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Blackout Bingo, then Storage, and use Clear Cache if your phone provides that option. Do not select Clear Data unless you understand that it can remove locally stored app information and may require you to sign in again. On iPhone, there is no standard Clear Cache option for individual apps, so restart the phone and make sure both iOS and Blackout Bingo are updated. If the challenge still does not track, test whether other parts of Blackout Bingo are recording progress normally. If matches, rewards, or other features also fail to update, the problem may be broader than one weekly challenge. Keep a record of the challenge requirement and what you completed, then contact Blackout Bingo support if the progress remains unchanged. The practical order is simple: verify the requirement, restart the app, check the connection, update Blackout Bingo, and clear the cache on Android when available. Try those steps before reinstalling the game. If this fixed your weekly challenge tracking, like the video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo troubleshooting guides.